From beginner to pro, step-by-step YouTube video size and ratio tutorial. Here is a step-by-step guide to understanding YouTube video sizes and ratios. Number 1. Research YouTube requirements. Start by researching the specific video size and ratio requirements for YouTube. As of my last update, YouTube generally recommends using a 16:9 aspect ratio for videos. Number 2. Learn about aspect ratios. Familiarize yourself with the concept of aspect ratios, which refers to the proportional relationship between the width and height of a video frame. For YouTube, the 16:9 aspect ratio is commonly used for widescreen content. Number 3. Understand resolution options. YouTube supports various resolutions including HD 720 pixel, Full HD 1080 pixel, and even higher resolutions like 4K and 8K. Higher resolutions offer better image quality but also result in larger file sizes. Number 4. Choose the right resolution. Decide on the resolution based on the quality of your video and the capabilities of your recording equipment. For most standard videos, HD 720 pixel or Full HD 1080 pixel resolutions are sufficient. Number 5. Edit videos to fit requirements. Use video editing software to adjust the size and ratio of your videos to meet YouTube's recommendations. Ensure that your video fills the entire frame and doesn't have any black bars or borders around the edges. Number 6. Optimize for YouTube player. Consider how your video will appear within the YouTube player. Keep important visual elements within the center of the frame to ensure they are visible on both desktop and mobile devices. Number 7. Review before uploading. Before uploading your video to YouTube, review it to ensure it looks as intended. Check for any issues with aspect ratio resolutions or visual quality that may need adjustments. Number 8. Upload your video. Once you are satisfied with your video, upload it to YouTube. During the upload process, you will have the option to set the privacy settings, add a title, description, and tags, and choose a thumbnail image. Number 9. Monitor video performance. After your video is published, monitor its performance using YouTube Analytics. Keep track of metrics such as views, watch time, audience retention, and engagement to gauge its success. Number 10. Stay informed about updates. YouTube requirements and best practices may change over time, so stay informed about any updates or new recommendations. This ensures that your videos continue to meet YouTube standards and provides the best viewing experience for your audience. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your videos for YouTube by choosing the right size and ratio, ensuring they look great and perform well on the platform. Thanks for tuning in today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Your support means the world to us. Also, be sure to turn on notifications you never miss an upload. See you in the next video.